Patta and Nike reunite for the Air Max 90 waves in a sleek particle gray colorway, set to release on June 27 via Patta and June 30 on SNKRS. This 2025 edition features a cool-toned mesh and suede upper, accented with coconut milk tones across the laces and overlays. The standout wavy mudguard, Patta's signature twist, appears in black, paired with a gum outsole for a retro touch. Premium materials, including plush mesh lining and quality leather, ensure both comfort and durability. Co-branded lenticular logos on the tongue and collar morph between Patta and Air Max, adding a dynamic visual element. Priced at $155, this design balances subtle tones with standout details, making it a versatile everyday sneaker that still commands attention. With its refined yet bold aesthetic, this drop reinforces Patta's legacy of delivering effortlessly cool, street-ready takes on classic Nike silhouettes.